Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then welcome to my channel, and don't forget to click that subscribe button. Today I'll be doing a review on Binf Hair. They sent me 3 bundles, which were 20, 22, 24, and a 20-inch lace frontal. Now this hair was extremely soft and it was extremely full. Usually the longer the length of bundles is usually quite thinner, but these bundles were very full, so I went ahead and made me a wig off camera, a closure wig to be exact. And today I'm going to be styling my hair with 2 braids and some baby hairs with the hair coming down in the back. Now when I made my wig, I just went ahead and flat ironed the back of the wig, and I actually sectioned off where I'm going to be cutting my baby hairs, and I also have sectioned off where my braids will go. So that's why you probably see like those big plaits in the front, and then it's like little pieces grabbed and plaited all together. But once you guys see what I'm doing in this video, you will get a better understanding of what I'm doing here. Now this will be a glueless install today, so we're just going to be using our Got To Be spray on the sides, and we will do everything else with the Nairobi's mousse. So first thing first I'm going to do is just go ahead and cut off the lace. If I was using glue, you guys know I would usually cut the lace off after it's glued down, but because it's glueless, I always cut the lace off first when it comes to my glueless installs. But yeah, we're going to just go ahead and cut that lace off first, and then once I do that, I'm just going to go ahead and take my Got To Be Free spray and spray that on my skin, rubbing it with my fingers, and hold that lace down and blow dry it. Now the same thing I'm doing to this side, I'm going to repeat the same exact steps to the other side, and so forth. Now that we have both corners tacked down, I'm just going to go ahead and tie the front down with the elastic band, because I want that to be firmly held in place as we, as I do my 2 French braids in the front. Now the braids will be curving, just going from like front center towards the sides, if you guys understand what I mean. So for this step, I'm just going to just comb that hair out, and I'm just going to braid. If it's hard for you to braid your hair on yourself and you actually made you a frontal wig, you can just go ahead and braid the wig first braid the wig off your head and then just install it to your head. Now I usually do the styling of the wigs first and then I put it on, but I actually wanted to show you guys me doing this style instead of just doing it off camera and installing only. So I'm just pretty much going to braid the right side all the way down towards the end, and then I'm going to repeat the same steps on the other side, and then we're going to get into actually doing the baby hairs. Okay, so now that I am done braiding that, I'm just going to go ahead and take that band off because we're going to get into the baby hairs, and you guys can kind of get an idea of how the style is going to be. If you want to make it more like jazzy, I guess you can add some hair charms to the braids, you know, going down or whatever. But me, I'm just going to put my braids behind my ears, and you guys can see how they kind of curve a little bit. It's kind of like doing a S, and I did that purposely so it can fit right behind my ear with no issue. Now we're just going to take the eyebrow razor and just raising down those baby hairs about an inch or less, and then once we do that, we're going to go in with the Nairobi's mousse and begin to form my baby hairs. I did not show in detail how I do these baby hairs because it's the same thing that I did in my last video with the nail affair episode 2. If you have not checked that out, go ahead and do so after watching this video. It's the nail affair episode 2, creating a arrogante inspired look, so go ahead and check that out. But I am using the edge brush to do my edges. If you are not familiar with doing it with a regular rat tail comb, just go ahead and get that brush because it's way more easier and convenient. And then once I do my baby hairs, I'm going to go ahead and tie that down. And now that it's dried, I blow dried it for a little bit and then I let it air dry for the rest. And this is what it looks like once I remove that elastic band. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take that same edge brush and just comb my baby hairs out because you want it to look very soft and natural. I told you guys I was turning over a new leaf with the hard baby hairs and said we're going to do this more soft looking. So here is the finishing look. I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial, and next time we will be back with something new.